morning, everybody. Happy Mother's Day. It is now 10:04 in the morning and I'm about to go to Walgreens. Sorry, Ben keeps running behind me and he has no clothes on because that's what we do on a normal day. But yeah, it is I'm gonna go to Walgreens. I have to pick up a prescription. I'm gonna do some couponing deals for you guys, and then I have to go to the grocery store to pick up some stuff for Grandma. It's right next door to Walgreens. So that is what I'm gonna do today. And then he wants to go surprise his mom. He said he wants to go by himself, and I'm like, but I'm at home all day long with the kids. So, and it's a crappy day out, so we might just go with him because I don't know. And then I'm still trying to figure out where I want to eat. I definitely want Rocky Rococo's. So
Rocky Rococo's?
Not Rocky Rococo's. We had Rocky's yesterday. I'm gonna definitely try to get or Dairy Queen for dessert. So I will see you guys in a little bit. Walgreens right now. It is raining outside. It sucks. It's gonna be like such a crappy day. I told Grandma I wanted to go visit like this flower place today, but we're not gonna do it when it's cold outside. I don't even know what the weather is, but I know it's gonna be miserable today. So I'm at Walgreens. So I will see you guys in a bit. I'll probably do my haul when I get home because it's raining, and that means that the sound will be focusing on the rain and not me. So there is that, and I gotta stop saying there is that. But okay, you guys, so now it is 11:15. I actually was just trying to find some good deals. I got some good stuff, which I was pretty excited about. But it is now currently snowing. I don't remember it ever snowing in May. Like, it went from rain to big wind, cold snow. So it's a miserable day. So I'm gonna work on my Walgreens breakdowns and show you guys a video. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we're on a little road trip to Graham's parents' house to drop something off. But this right here is our state capital of Madison, Wisconsin. And then this building right there is where Graham and I had our wedding reception. So we got married at the state capitol and we had our wedding reception right there. So this is an awesome view of Madison, Wisconsin.
That's where we come to this.
Yeah, we went a different way, but we get to see the nice view of the lake and then the capitol. Is that cool, Mr. Benjamin?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you guys haven't gotten Mooyah Burger, I don't know if it's like a regional thing, but Mooyah Burger is so good. I've had it like maybe 3 times my whole life, but we just did an online order. There's a coupon deal for it's buy one get one free, so yeah, I'll take full advantage of it. Graham just ran inside to go get it, check our meal, and now he's coming out. Okay, you guys, it is 3:47. We just got home. We sat in the car. Yeah, so now I'm home and I have a lot of stuff to do. The dishes didn't get done yesterday. Graham said he was gonna do them while I was couponing. He started them and did like 1 or 2 and that's it. Plates are still at the table because that's what he does. And I can't break that habit at all. But it's just like, you know, him and Ben are outside playing and I gotta clean up. I wanna sit down and watch a movie. I can't because this place bothers me that it's just a freaking mess all the time. So that is what I'm gonna do. I don't give a shit if it's Mother's Day or not. It doesn't do anything to me because number one, Graham didn't get me anything, which I didn't want him to anyways, but you know, he could have let me sleep in or like, hey, I'll do this, you do that. Nope, I had to drive. I had to do this, I had to do that, but we had to drop something off for his mom. Like his mom got like 4 different gifts and everything, and I'm not complaining about getting a gift. It's just, you know, but it's like, Graham, you can at least do something nice for me, but no. I have to take care of a 37-year-old along with a 1-year-old and now a 5-year-old. So it's just like, yep, so that's what I'm going to be doing for the next pretty much hour is washing the dishes that he said he supposedly washed, but he put them back in the sink. It's like now I got to re-wash them all. Like, what a complete waste of my time. So I'm just going to put a movie on and listen to it while I am cleaning, and then me and Miss Darlette are going to take down the one decorations. She fell into them. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save these. I'm gonna actually fold it up and put them in a big Ziploc bag. So if I ever want to use them again in the future, I can, because I'm just frugal. I'm so cheap, even though it cost me like $3. But it did take me over an hour to cut those. I'll leave the balloons still, you know, still there. But I gotta take this little black stand thing down. So that is what I'm going to work on. But I don't know. I'm just stressed out. And I know you guys are like, you gotta say something to him. You can't. You can't. If you guys truly knew Graham, you cannot break him. It's the way he was raised. It was the way he was raised. That's all I'm gonna say. But I will see you guys after I get get done picking up all this crap. Good morning, everybody. It is 7:28. Sorry for not finishing my vlog last night. After I stopped filming, I just pretty much laid down and took a 2-hour nap. I just laid in bed, shut the door, locked it, and Graham just, you know, let me be. And then when I came downstairs, I started watching a movie. I watched Contagion, I think is what it's called. It's basically, it was made in 2011. If you guys have not seen it, definitely see it. It's pretty much like to almost a T of what's going on. Ben's wearing clothes today.
I got Daddy got me a haircut, and Daddy got me a haircut, and I take the shower, and then Daddy told me I can get 10 games.
Yeah, Daddy cuts Benjamin's hair, so usually Ben cries and cries and cries, but today, or last night, he didn't. So yeah, so I started watching that movie because I asked.
Last night I didn't cry.
Yeah, good job. So last night I asked Graham, you know, a day before, I says, do you want to watch the movie with me? He's like, no. So then I started watching it last night, and he's like, oh, I thought you were going to watch this with me. I says, you said you didn't want to watch it. And he's like, yeah, I did. So he missed about 10 minutes of the movie, but it's basically about like the virus and how it spreads and how, but it was a whole lot faster than, yeah, but it was a whole lot faster than how it's happening here. But it really makes you think, you know, but we will see what happens. But yeah, it's 7:30. We gotta get going in about an hour because Charlotte has a doctor's appointment. Graham just told me he has to work in the morning, so Ben's gotta come with me. And I says, Ben, you gotta wear a face mask. And he's like, no, I don't want to. But I says, Ben, you really gotta get a face mask. It's just to prevent you from touching your face.
And I'm never gonna wear my face mask as I wear that one.
Okay. And then Charlotte is supposed to wear a face mask, but I don't think I can get her to do it. But the thing is, this clinic, they're not letting people that are sick to go to that clinic. They have other spots in different areas. So this clinic has no infected people. So I don't know. I'm kind of like scared, but I'm not.
I didn't be sick for a while.
Yeah, we haven't been sick for a while. But other than that, and then when we get back, we're gonna get everything packed up, and then we're gonna go meet my mom today halfway.
Yay!
Because she has Charlotte's birthday present. I want to give her her birthday present, her Mother's Day gift, because her birthday is coming up. And then she got me some stuff. Thanks, babe.
Excuse me.
Thanks, honey. But she got me some stuff that I've been trying to find at Walmart. Like, there's these cups, and they're color changing now. I don't really care about the color changing stuff, but I really want to decorate some cups. Maybe either to sell or just to do designs for. And my mom, I had 2 Walmarts in my area that said they had it. According to Brickseek, went to those Walmarts and they did not have them. And I'm just like, are you serious? So my mom's like looking for them for me. I saw other people looking for them, but my mom's like, yeah, I found some. And I'm like, she's like, how many do you want? And I says, can I get 5 of them? And Graham's like, really, you need that much? And I'm like, they're not just for me. Like, I was thinking of maybe decorating some of them up for Ben's birthday, you know, party, and giving them to his friends. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, so I could not sleep last night, you guys. We went to bed, I think we went to bed at like 10 o'clock, a little after 10, and I could not fall asleep until like midnight. I don't know what it was. But I just could not fall asleep. But I did take down some of her decorations. I still have like the metal thing and then the balloons, but I'll worry about that later. But I did put everything in a baggie, so that's going on. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna have some breakfast, get kind of situated with some stuff, and then get dressed, and then we're gonna get going to go to the clinic. Okay, you guys, so we just arrived at the doctor's appointment. We're 10 minutes early, and I've never seen this place this empty before. I don't know. I'm like scared. I don't know why I'm scared, but I'm just scared. So we're gonna go inside. Charlotte's getting antsy. Benjamin's kind of scared to wear a mask, but we will see how he does. I know, honey, but we'll see you
guys,
guys in a bit. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 2 something. Yeah, we are in Boston, which is about a halfway point from where my parents live and where I live. It's about an hour difference, but we're meeting my mom and my aunt to go just to say hi. She has stuff to give me. I have stuff. Can you just give me 1 second? But I have the kids sitting with me. We're just chilling. We saw them. They're just getting food too, so we're just gonna park next to each other and eat some lunch. But Miss Charlotte's just a little cranky. She got her shots today. Man, it was so weird going in there. Like they asked you a bunch of questions, and then they took your temperature, and then like it was just all weird, wasn't it? Yeah. So Charlotte's just not being her normal self. Right now she is, but yeah, she's just not having it. Is that a horn? You gonna honk the horn again? Yeah? Okay, so we're just gonna eat some food. We got some Wendy's. If you guys have a Wendy's, definitely recommend getting the key tag. They usually have it at the beginning of the year, but you can get a free mini Frosty, and Ben always dips his Frosty. He did not pee his pants. He poured water while I was driving in that spot. It's like, seriously? He's like, what? I'm like, you don't do that. People think you're gonna pee your pants. So if that's what he wants to do, that's what he's gonna do. So we're gonna have some lunch, aren't we, Miss Darlet? Yeah, so we'll see you guys after we visit my mother. Okay, guys, so it is now 5:55. We just got home maybe about 20-ish minutes ago. Graham is on his way home from work, but we pretty much just... Okay, we pretty much sat in the parking lot talking to my mom and my aunt for over 2 hours. We just sat there, just talked and talked and talked. So that was a lot of fun. I'm like super tired right now. I bet you if I lay down I could fall asleep. But both kids slept on the way home. Yeah. Charlotte's just a little bit cranky. Yeah? How cranky are you? How cranky are you?
I'm trying to eat games and it doesn't work.
She just likes to see herself on camera.
Help me, Mama.
Yeah. Hold on, honey. So that is what's going on. I'm gonna probably start a load of laundry. I don't know what we're gonna even do for dinner tonight, but my mom got me these cups that I've been trying to find, and they were actually a lot better quality than what I thought. So I want to definitely work on a project this week with them. I got all the vinyl because I know I wanted to make something like this.
Mom, help me get no game.
Okay, so I'm just gonna sit back and relax and check up on you guys probably before we go to bed. But yeah, I'm just tired, guys. It's 8:49. I did not even realize what time it was. But the kids are just chilling right now. Graham is hanging out with the kids right now. Cool thing is, there is this thing called Kona ice. I don't know if you guys have it anywhere near you, but basically it's like shaved ice, and I've had it once. I had it maybe about a year ago, 6 months to a year ago, I don't remember. But what they're doing is they're actually doing home deliveries. So they're picking certain towns at certain times. Sorry, I'm doing my laundry. They're picking certain times. My neighbor sent me the message and she's like, yeah, you should, you know, do this. So basically all you have to do is a $10 minimum order of Italian ice. They're delivering to our town on Monday, so a week from today. And you just, when they come over, then you just tell them what flavor you want, which I thought was kind of cool. So, and I'm getting color changing cups because those are cups that we can obviously reuse over and over again. So I'm keeping it a complete secret for Ben. He has no idea what is going on, but I thought it'd be kind of cool. And then we have the same time as the neighbors get theirs delivered because we live 2 houses, or they live 1 house away. So I thought it'd be kind of cool, you know. So I just signed up Ben. Something to look forward to because, you know, there's nothing else really excited. But I think I had a good time with my mom today. You know, it was just a nice and relaxing day. I haven't had a nice relaxing day for a while. I don't know. Yesterday I was just stressed out. I was a little upset over yesterday, and I'm still talking to Grandma about it. I told him I wasn't expecting anything, but you could, you know, I would love it if he even sent me something on Facebook saying Happy Mother's Day, but nothing. He did say Happy Mother's Day to me, but that was pretty much it. So I don't know, I'm kind of just sad over the whole thing, but I don't know, I'm gonna have a productive day tomorrow. My town is having a local restaurant festival thing. So what they do is they gave you a menu, and they'll give you a piece of paper when you get there. You drive, you don't even get out of your car, and you check off what you want. It's a bunch of local places. There's this one place called Norski Nook, which is a Norwegian place, and they have lefse, and I'm just like, yes. And then they have another place that Graham loves for pizza, and they're actually selling frozen pizzas. So, you know, we're gonna want to support local restaurants and stuff. So I'm gonna go there tomorrow. I think it's at like in the afternoon. I can't remember what time, but I'm gonna go there, get some stuff. You know, they pretty much will just put right in your vehicle and you're good to go. So I was like, I'm not doing anything tomorrow, but then I gotta do that. I do have a project to work on. Somebody wanted me to make them something, so I am gonna work on that this week. I gotta find all my stuff, but I'm gonna work on that. I got my color changing cup, so I'm gonna work on that. So I'm just gonna try to have a better productive week this week. Last week I was just off. I don't know. Funny thing is, my one brother who he lives down in Arkansas, he thought my decorations are stupid. He's like, you know, he told my mom, he's like, why does she have all those decorations and there's nobody at the party? And my mom's like, well, you know, something to look forward to. Exactly. And I think it's a girl thing. Like, you know, my uncle didn't understand, Graham didn't fully understand, but it's like a girl thing. I wanted to go all out. No, I didn't decorate my whole house. I just decorated that one spot. I mean, I paid $3 for the little streamers. I paid $2 for the plastic thing, and the balloons maybe like $2-3. So I mean, that whole thing right there cost me under $10 for that whole thing. You know, I didn't hardly spend any money, and I made the decorations just gorgeous. They were perfect for pictures, and Graham took some really good photos. So I'm gonna shut up, you guys, because I gotta do my laundry. I'm gonna work on more laundry tomorrow. I'm running the dishwasher right now. I cleaned the kitchen up a little bit. Graham's like, we gotta clean this kitchen. I'm like, Graham, I clean it every single day. Every single day I clean it, and every single day it gets messy. Like, that's why I can't focus on anything else, because I'm constantly doing the same thing all the time. But I'm going to try to see if Graham wants to watch a show with me on Netflix. But yeah, I'm just going to have a nice relaxing evening, and you guys have a nice day, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye-bye.